Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let us make this cute tiny heart crochet keychain. So I'm going to be as slow as possible in knitting so that you can understand the video step by step. So we're going to make this cute tiny heart keychain together. So yeah, it was wool. I used wool and needle. So first you need to get your wool and your needle. Now when you get your wool, you're just going to tie the mouth. For those of us that don't actually know how to like knit from the down, you can just easily tie the mouth like this. So like I said, I'm going to be as slow as possible so that you can understand me step by step if you want to learn how to knit this. So you're going to tie the mouth. After tying the mouth, you're going to make a chain of 7. So now we're just going to count together. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and I'm going to be as slow as possible like I said. So this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So that's a 7. Now you're going to attach this head that your pin is to the mouth of the wool, because now we are trying to like create a circle. So you're going to attach this head to the mouth. So just watch how I do it. You just have to like put the pin inside a hole. That's the down part inside the hole. Just look for a hole, put the pin there, and then you bring out the thread. As you can see, just watch how I'm doing it step by step. I'm very slow so that you can actually understand. That's if you don't understand the explanation, you would understand this. So now you're going to repeat the same process round. So all you need to do is to add one thread to the thread on the pin on the needle, then you put it under, you take another thread, it's going to be 3. Now bring out another thread and bring it under and make sure it is 2, then bring out 1 again, it is going to be 1. So now I'm going to take that again following my hand. Sorry about that. So now we're going to do this. So this is 1. Now I'm just going to add 1 to the 1 already. This is it. Now put it under, bring 1 out, it is going to be 3. Bring another 1, make sure you bring it out till it is 2, then bring out 1, the final 1. So that's what you just keep doing till you've gotten to the place you actually started from. So it is that simple. You just have to like keep doing it till you get to that place. So we're doing it round. Actually, when you do it round, I will show you how to do to get to the next step, because the next step would actually be we would be changing our hand. We're not going to knit this way, we're going to change our hand, but you can actually continue with this actually till you count 4, because we are building 4 steps. So we are going up 4 times. So you can actually continue with this. If you don't want to continue with this, you can now do this one I'm about to show you. So you just take 1, that's add just 1 chain to the what's it called, one you have down. Then for the next, you're just going to put the pin inside a hole without actually adding any thread. Then you bring a thread out, make sure it is 2, and then you bring another thread out and make sure it is 1. So I'm going to say it again so you get it. You put the pin inside a hole, bring out a thread, it's going to be 2. Now you're going to bring out another thread, bring it out from those 2, it is going to be 1. So this is how we're going to continue on every whole round till we get to where we started from, and then we'll keep doing that till we count 4 steps. So I hope you understand. So I'm slow so that you can see it. So you're just going to put the pin inside the hole, bring out a thread, now bring out another thread, bring it out from those 2, and that is it. So you just keep doing that round, and like I said, till you count 4 steps. So I left this long so that you would actually understand. If you don't get the explanation, you would actually see it and then you would actually understand. I hope this is slow enough. That's if you want to learn how to like do this. But if you know how to knit already, then I am very sure you understand this part. This part won't be hard for you at all. So it is just the same thing I'm doing over and over again till my 4 steps is actually complete. And as you can see, you're just going to count 4 steps. Make sure the steps are 4, like don't do more than 4. Now I just want to like get to the place I started from, so that was why I added this more. So you just have to like make sure it is on the exact part you started from. After that, you're now going to count 5 chains up. So when you get to the exact place you started from, you're going to like count 5 chains up. So we're moving up. So now let us count the 5 chains together after we've gotten to where we started from. So this is actually 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So that is 5 chain up. So now you're now going to do this. So you take a thread, you put it inside the next hole, you bring out another thread. Now it is going to be 3. Now watch this part very well. It is going to be 3. So now you take another thread, you bring it out from just the last thread. It is still going to be 3. Make sure it is still 3. Now you bring out 1 again and bring it out from the 2 last threads. Now it is going to be 2. Now take 1 again and bring it out from those 2. It is going to be 1. So we want to meet up with the 5 chains we counted. After that, you just bring out 1 chain, just 1. So I'm going to repeat it. Take 1 thread, put the pin inside a hole, use the pin to bring out another thread. It is going to be 3. 1, 2, 3, you can see it. Then take another thread, bring it out from just the last one. Now it is still going to be 3. Now take another thread, bring it out from the 2 last threads. Now it's going to be 2. Now finally take 1 thread and bring it out from those 2. It is going to be 1. Then you add 1 chain. So that's how you keep doing till you go round. As you can see, I've gone round. So now you're just going to like close it up, and this is how you close it up. You're going to bring out 1 chain, then you take 1 thread and then you add it to the next hole. You're going to do that 5 again. That's 3, 3, 2, 1. That is what we are going to do again to make sure everything is actually closed up. Then after that, I'm going to show you. I shouldn't be in a hurry so that you would actually get and you would actually understand the tutorial step by step. So don't forget, we are doing the 5. That's for the close up. After that, so as you can see, our heart is already formed. Like, so after that, you're just going to take the thread, you're going to add it in a hole, you're going to bring out another thread. Is going to be 3. That's our normal knitting, is going to be 3. Then you would take a thread, bring it out from those 2, it's going to be 2. Take another one, bring it out from the 2, is going to be 1. So now we've closed up the heart. So as you can see, our tiny cute heart is already looking like hearts already. So now I'm just going to show you how to like just design the up, if I should put it like that. So you just stick your pin under, bring out a thread, and then that thread you just bring it out from the thread standing. So that is how you're going to do. Then you are going to add 1 chain to it. So you're just going to continue that method till you go round. Sorry, my phone went off actually. So after that, you can put any design of your choice, like any design at all. So I'm going to show you how to cut this. So you're just going to cut the long rope. After you cut it, you're just going to add the rope you cut to the rope inside that pin, as you can see it. Then you're just going to tie it up so that you don't end up losing what you've been doing since, and then you have to start from beginning again. So as you can see, look at our tiny cute hat. So now you can put any design of your choice. Like I said, you can design your hat in any way actually. So I wanted to put rose, but the hat was too tiny to carry the big rose, so I just had to like cut the sides of the rose. I've already showed us how to make this on my channel using fork. So you can make this using fork. So you can check out the video on my channel to learn how to make this rose. So I wanted to add this, but I couldn't because it was too big. So I just had to like cut some parts away. So you can put any design of your choice actually. And if you want, you can also still leave it like that. So I just had to like cut the edges. After that, I tied the rose to the hat to make it look more beautiful. So you can actually do any one you want. If you like, you can just leave the hat like that, like I said. So yeah, that's how to make your cute little keychain hat. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you're not, please. And let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Let us also know if you understand or not. We would want to know in the comment section actually. So we'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. Let us know if you understand. Let us know if you're going to try it. Let us know if you've tried it. Let us know if this is actually really beautiful or not. We would want to know all that in the comment section. So feel free to comment, and please feel free to share this video so that other people would also learn how to make this. It is actually super easy. Trust me, it is super easy. So yeah, I added bead to my rose to make it look more beautiful, and now as you can see, the heart is looking cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So this is our heart. So you can actually make this and sell to make cool money, or you can just make this to use for yourself. I'll be using this for myself actually, and after making it, my sister said she wants her own, so I'll be making another one for her. So yeah, it is very cute, it is beautiful, and it is tiny. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and please feel free to check out our channel for other interesting contents, because we have so many interesting contents on our channel. So feel free to check it out and let us know what you think. So this is how to make your cute little keychain, and that is it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you on our next video, and all of our videos actually. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Have a nice day. Bye.